Here with me is the Creative Zen Hybrid, which I totally did not expect it to receive it at all because it is said to be a pre-order and I should actually receive it at the end of June or early July at best. However, Creative just surprise, here it is. So you can't see it right now, but I'm gonna do an unboxing and followed by a first impression of the headset. So upon opening the box, you are greeted with a Ziploc bag with the instruction manual and two different sets of cable inside. One of them is the TRS to TRS connector, where one end of it is straight and the other end has a right angle wedge to it. And you have the other set of cable, which is a USB-C to USB-A connector. And you are greeted with a drawstring-like kind of bag with the headset inside, and it is folded. So if you want to use it, you have to unfold it. And also if you were to put this around your neck, you will be able to rotate the ear cups to a more comfortable position instead of a stagnant position like this. Like all headsets, you could actually adjust the headset based on your head size. So if you have a bigger head, you could actually put it out to be a little wider to fit into your head. Or if you have a smaller head, you could actually retract it to the bare minimum. The material of the headset feels very plasticky all around it, with a soft cushion at the top to give a more comfortable feel on top of your head, and a leather-like feeling ear cups for the comfort of your ear. However, I feel that the material of it isn't really that of a premium build. I like how the overall feels of it, from the box to the cable to the headsets, are mainly white in color with a hint of grayish, mainly at the ear cups of it, and also matching the color of the drawstring bag. There are R and L indicator in the inside of the headset, so you could differentiate between the right and the left side if that matters to you. So on the right side, there are a couple of ports and buttons where you have the volume plus minus button, followed by the power button, followed by the headphone jack, and a button to trigger ANC on and off. And on the left side, you have the USB-C connector to charge up your headset. And at both sides of the headset, there is a creative branding as well as a surrounding words that says Super Sci-Fi Headphone Hologram Sci-Fi Ready. And it is a hybrid active noise cancellation technology, and it is the same for both left and right side of the headset. So according to what's stated on the box, there is a custom tuned 40mm drivers which actually gives you a rich and powerful audio, and it advertised how it is foldable, which I've shown earlier on. And with ANC on, there is a playback time of 27 hours in a single charge and up to 37 hours with ANC turned off. So if there's ANC, there's also the ambient mode that allows sound to pass through for you to hear important things. And of course, the main thing about creative products is always the sci-fi, or rather the super sci-fi. So from what I know about sci-fi is that you are required to download the sci-fi app in order to actually enjoy the sci-fi technology that Creative has, which is to create a professional multi-speaker system experience in your headphones. However, the downside of it is that you can't actually use this sci-fi technology in your popular apps such as Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, and Netflix. So I'm not exactly sure if it is good or bad, because I believe most of the time all of us will actually use apps like Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, and you can't actually enjoy sci-fi. So that is something to actually test it out without sci-fi technology to hear how the sound quality is like, as well as how the whole ANC and ambient sound, the quality of it for this particular headset. And to give a quick fitting or the feels as to how it is like on my ear, the default sizing actually fits directly onto my head, so I do not actually need to extend it. Without actually turning on the headset, it kind of feels like ANC is turned on to a small bit, where certain sounds are being blocked off, or rather the surrounding sound is being reduced. And I forgot to mention that this is an over-ear headset, so it's not an on-ear headset. So I guess that helps to actually reduce some sound even without switching on the headset. It feels alright in terms of its comfort, and it is not that particular heavy in my opinion. So I feel that is a couple of things which I like in terms of the first impression of it. So I'll be using this headset for the next week or two or so to actually test it out, to see how it is like day to day, and I will actually follow up with another video to give a deeper review and thoughts after using the headset. So this is a short video, and if you actually enjoyed the video, do give it a like. Do comment down if you have any opinions, and do subscribe if you want to know the review of the Creative Zen Hybrid. Thanks for watching.